Is ChinaGoods.com a hidden gem where you can score unbelievable deals? Or is it just another shady corner of the internet waiting to trap unsuspecting shoppers? In this video, I take you on a detailed walkthrough of ChinaGoods.com, a site that promises an enormous variety of products like dresses, cups, jewelry, kitchen appliances, and more, all offered at eye-catching discounts. On the surface, it looks like a budget shopper's paradise, but once I started digging in, the cracks began to show. The website's performance is poor, some pages load slowly or not at all, and certain buttons and menus simply don't work, which makes the whole user experience feel unprofessional and rushed. One of the biggest concerns? There's absolutely no real customer feedback or reviews to back up the product claims, which is always a warning sign for online stores. Things got even more suspicious when I discovered that the site is registered in a high-risk region, known for housing questionable e-commerce platforms. To make matters worse, I found multiple websites with nearly identical layouts and product listings all operating under the same domain umbrella, which often points to a copy-paste scam network. I didn't place an order, but I thoroughly explored the site, tested features, and checked for credibility, and honestly, it left me with more doubts than confidence. This isn't an outright scam, but it's definitely not a store I'd trust with my money without serious hesitation.